그런데
일몰 조망지가
일몰 조망지가 있네.
근데 어제 해가 되게 예뻤잖아. 일몰
Coffee every morning,
그래 요걸
whiskey
그러네.
every
일몰
night.
조망지가 있었네.
The room is lit with candles and a fire in your eyes. We are lace and leather as I lay by your side. I know I want you here, I just don't know why. The only way I can survive. Coffee every morning and whiskey every night. Blow the candles out and think about my life. How did I get here? And where am I going? He's a beautiful man, but I know that I don't love him. The only way I can survive is coffee every morning and whiskey every night. Coffee every morning, whiskey every night. Stuck in this routine, but it doesn't feel like mine. A mix of pain and pleasure when everything feels wrong. And I can only ask myself to be so strong. The only way I can survive is coffee every morning and whiskey every night.
우주쇼를 봤습니다.
안 나올 것 같다.
되게 빛이
빛이
어마어마해.
Mount your wings in the sky tonight. I'm sitting on a rock and watching heron fly.
지구에서 제일 큰 소리가 뭔지 알아요?
지구 돌아가는 소리?
네. 지구 움직이는 소리들.
맞아. 근데 우리한테는 안 들려.
주파수가 달라서.
들려서.
왜냐면 10만 7천 킬로미터로 가니까 진짜 그 소리가 그죠?
전화 소리.
지구에서 제일 큰 소리는 지구 움직이는 거.
I'm waiting for the stars to show. I'm waiting for the fire to glow. Feeding the water out of sleep. Let's burn one down and slowly disappear.
확실히 아침에는 못 일어나니까 그죠?
저 일출 이런 거 생각도 안 해요.
차라리
우리는 노을, 일몰.
야행성이니까.
그렇지. 차라리 해넘이가 낫지.
여기 동쪽이구나.
Oh, I've been hiding deep in the woods. Oh, I've been searching as far as I could for some answers to my riddles and my doubts. Oh, I might have taken the easy way out, but it doesn't matter now. It doesn't